Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear hub on this 2003 Honda Civic. Same as most 2001 to 2005 Civics that have the rear drum brakes. If your vehicle has ABS, this is basically the same procedure. This vehicle does not have ABS. The only difference is the part has a stator ring on it. And the tools you'll need are jack and jack stands. You'll need your tire iron or a 19mm socket with a breaker bar. You'll also need a 32mm socket, again with a breaker bar or with a ratchet and a piece of pipe to get some extra leverage. A little bit of grease just to help put the hub together. And you'll need to get the center cap off of the hub, a sharp chisel or some type of sharp tool, and a hammer.
Your lug nuts are 19mm. You can either use a socket with a breaker bar or your tire iron. If you don't have the benefit of air tools, you'll want to start with your wheel on the ground, loosen the lug nuts first, then raise and support your vehicle and remove the wheel and tire.
And just speed it up here as I remove the wheel and tire.
Okay, hopefully your brake drum will come right off. You'll need something fairly sharp to work in here. This is actually a wood chisel.
I'll speed up here as I just keep working that cap off. Like I said, you just need something sharp to work between the cap and the hub flange, and then pry the cap off.
Okay. This is a 32mm bolt. You'll either want a large socket on your impact wrench, or again a big breaker bar. You can even use a ratchet with a piece of pipe for some extra leverage. And shove that off. The hub just pulls right off. And you have 1AAuto. I just put a tiny amount of grease, just a very, very, very light coating to help this slide on. Okay, now you want to torque this to 134 foot-pounds. Okay, use some type of impact tool.
Okay, now I use my hammer again and start the center cap on. And once I get it kind of seated in there, then I grab the big socket I use for the nut and use that to drive it all the way on. And really kick it into high gear here as I put the wheel on. Then on this vehicle you put the hubcap on, start the lug nuts, and then preliminarily tighten them with your either your ratchet or in this case my impact wrench, and then I'll torque them when the vehicle's on the ground. And once the vehicle's on the ground, then torque your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds, kind of using a crossing pattern as you go. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.